Hello, this is Gio, and hey, look what I have here. I have this old cast iron pan. Now this is like a 6.5 inch pan. You can see the brand right there, but it has seen some weather, so it's all rusty. But looking at it, it's not too rusty. I mean, there's not tons of pits there, and I think I could refinish this pan, or at least get all this rust off and make this a usable pan again. And today I'll show you how to do that. So you might say, hey Gio, just use an SOS pad and try to scrub that off. Well, I can guarantee you SOS pads will not work on this. But instead, I got some wire brushes here that I just attached to my drill. Here's an older one that you can use, and here's a newer one, but I think I'm going to use this one right here and just kind of use my drill and try to get this as clean as possible and see if we can get this to a workable condition. Okay, got my mask on here. I got the little drill bit in here, and we'll just work on this and see what happens. Well, there you go. I just kind of wash it once. I think I still need to wash a couple more times, but yeah, I think it came out pretty well. There's a little bit of residue still left on. I think I'll maybe scrub it a little bit more, but fortunately for this one, wasn't that severely pitted. It was just a little bit of rust. So if you do have a cast iron that seems rusty and you're about to throw it away, just maybe get some wire brushes and on a drill or something and try to remove it, and you'll see that the original surface is probably still pretty good unless it's really pitted. Now after I wash this a couple more times, I'm going to apply some cooking oil to it. I'll preheat the oven to 300 degrees and just kind of bake the cooking oil in there for about an hour. Wipe off the residue, maybe do that another 1 or 2 more times, and you'll start developing the seasoning back on this thing. And again, if you don't know anything about a cast iron pan, you don't want to scrub clean it with soapy water between cookings. You want to try to keep that, that nice seasoning there. Just maybe rinse it off with some water. If you want to use soap, just lightly just kind of wipe it off. Don't really scrub that seasoning off, or you'll kind of lose the benefit of that seasoning on the cast iron. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Don't throw away your cast iron pans. Try to save them. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.